Assalamu alaikum. Hi, grade 2. Today, inshallah, we will start in Unit 6. It talks about plants and animals in hot places. In hot places in the world. You remember our Earth? You remember the planet of the Earth that we live on it? Can you see these yellow parts or orange parts? These parts are called what? Are called Middle East. Middle East. Middle East. These parts are hot and dry, and we live on it. We live in these parts. We live in these parts, not in these parts. No, we live in this yellow parts. Can you see them? So today, inshallah, we'll talk about plants and animals in the hot places of the world. Okay, girls, this is our lesson today, inshallah. This is our earth or our planet that we live on it. And this green part, can you see this green part? Is the orange places here. Can you see the orange places? All of this are this part of the earth. These parts are called what? Middle East. Middle East. So, where we live in this part, in North Pole, in South Pole? No. Where do we live? We live in the Middle East. In the middle what? East. So, we live in the Middle East part of the earth. We live in the Middle East part of the earth. Okay, countries in the Middle East are, and what? Country means what? Country like Saudi Arabia, like Egypt, like Jordan. Okay, so Saudi Arabia is a country. Egypt is a country. Jordan is a country. So countries here in these parts of the earth, they are where? They are in the Middle East. Okay, girls, they are called like North Pole and South Pole. No, they are hot. So the countries in the Middle East are what? Hot. And what? Dry. So countries in the Middle East are hot and dry. You know the meaning of hot. Hot means what? Not cold. But dry means what? Dry means that the rain is little in these places. You know the meaning of rain? Rain is what? Little in these places, in these parts of the earth, in the Middle East, in the countries of the Middle East. Dry means what? The rain is little. The rain is what, you girls? Little. So we live where? We live in the Middle East part of the earth. Countries in the Middle East are what? Are hot and dry. Hot and dry. Okay, so these places are hot. Do you think, grade 2, that the plants and the animals here will be more different types? Plants and the animals want to live in these places. Many different plants and the animals will be in these places, in the hot and the dry places. Do you think that? Hey, grade 2, do you think that plants and the animals wanted to be in these places, wanted to live in these places, many different of them? No. So there aren't. There what, you girls? Aren't. There aren't many different types of plants and animals in the Middle East. Why? Because these places are hot and dry. Do you understand? If you understand, please tell me, okay? If you don't understand any point, please send a message to me. Thank you.